So you've seen the all-new Mav R. They have a huge cooling intake back here. It makes it kind of hard to see. With or without our cage, it doesn't matter. So ATV UTV Tech came in clutch and gave us these side mirrors. So we're gonna install them on the side of our cage to show you just how much you need them. So not only do we have the Thumper Fab cage on this Mav R, but these will also fit the stock cage as well. So they come with several different clips. And as you can see on the back of the box, they're gonna give you several different options. So your profiled roll cage is gonna be your Defender and your Ranger, your roll cage clamp on the bottom. This is gonna be two for your like Can-Am Maverick, your Can-Am Maverick R, your Pro R, your Razor, stuff like that. All right, so I found the clamp that fits this cage. Of course, this is our cage, and like I said before, you can utilize these mirrors to go on a factory cage. So get your tools together, get it all set in, and we'll get this bad boy installed. So we got this side put on. As you can see, this can pivot to your liking. Really cool. You're rolling through the trails. This is a Mav R, so this thing's got some horsepower behind it. You hit a tree, this one isn't gonna break. By the push of it, it's gonna pop right back out. And if you do break it, send it to us, we'll send you another one. We're way over to the passenger side. Get your clamp right on. Line it up with your mirror. Bolt it on. It's that easy. So you have it this way, you can knock it up, you can go all the way down with it. I mean, there's several different pivot options on this. So we're gonna get in the car and I'm gonna get the driver's side to how I like it. So I'm gonna throw it out like this. That's perfect. The ATV, UTV side mirrors come in clutch, especially in the all-new Mav R. Throw these ATV, UTV Tech side mirrors on it so you're gonna be able to see anything coming your way. But don't worry, you're going fast through the desert or through the trails, knock it just like that, it's not gonna break off. You break it, we'll send you another one.